So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi! Did you hear that? Sounds like a monster truck. Whoa! I love monster trucks and I love drawing. Let's draw a monster truck together. First, let's start with the cab right up top. Whoa, that's where the driver sits. And then, let's make a big rectangle right here. But instead of connecting it, we need to make space for the big tires with half circles. All right, and how does the monster truck cab attach to the tires? With giant shocks! Yeah! All right, there we go. And what's it missing? Giant wheels and tires! Yeah! So 2 big circles right there, and 2 big circles right there. And then a square for a window. Wow! Now does that look like a monster truck, or does that look like a monster truck? Yeah! Well, if you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah! B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi! All right, see you again.
Come on everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Whoa! That was a gigantic truck! You're right, Debo. I think that was a monster truck. I wonder, what makes a monster truck special? Good idea! We can catch up with that monster truck and find out. I'm gonna need monster truck wheels.
Monster truck wheels confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. Debo? Whoa, Debo! You have the monster truck wheels attachment? You're like a monster truck. All right, let's ride. Debo the monster truck is ready for adventure.
Crash! Crash!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo. You really crushed that car.
Hi, Blippi. I'm Megan.
So, Megan, we're here to find out what makes a monster truck special.
Cool. Well, I think the best way to answer your question is to show you what I do.
Great!
You see, I'm a monster truck with big, tall, monster tires. I'm 13 feet tall.
Wow!
Let's do this.
All right!
Huh? Huh? Crash!
We can't bounce as high as you, Megan. And oh boy, we're almost tipping over.
Well, I have heavy-duty suspension, which is special springs, so I can bounce way up and down and not tumble over. I use them when I race and have competitions.
Cool! Whoa!
Yeah! Welcome aboard, Blippi! Buckle up! It's time to dominate the obstacle course.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Wow! This is awesome! Whoa, how can you turn and zigzag so fast?
I have something called four-wheel steering, so I can turn all 4 wheels at once, instead of just 2 wheels like a lot of regular trucks. Us monster trucks are built for short, high-powered bursts of speed.
Whoa, yeah, whee!
I nailed that!
Megan, that was amazing! And I have the answer to my question. What makes a monster truck special? Monster trucks are a special kind of truck with big tires, heavy-duty suspension, and 4-wheel steering. Upload answer, Debo. Bye, Megan. It was so cool to ride with you.
Bye, Blippi! crush it.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi, Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!